Welcome students. I welcome you all to class 6. My name is Jinsi Jaren Verghese. I am going to teach you mathematics. We are going to start with chapter 1, knowing our numbers. You already might be having some idea about numbers. Here one word is there, numeral. A numeral is a symbol or name that stands for a number. See the examples 3, 49 and 12. What are numerals? Numerals are symbols used to denote the number. Like this 3, 49 and this is written in words. Still this is a numeral. Now digit. You already know what is digit. Any number is made up of digits. For example, here one number is there 153. 153 is made up of 3 digits 1, 5 and 3. You know all the digits starting from 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. Now comparing numbers. You know this sign? Are you familiar with this sign? Yes. In previous classes you might have seen this sign. This sign is greater than, this one equal to and this is lesser than. So how do we read this statement? 37 is less than 80. 61 is greater than 8. 3 is equal to 3. Let's see how to compare numbers. Here some numbers are given to you. You have to find which one is the greatest number. Just by looking at these numbers, you can say that this number is the greatest. How? By counting the digits in the number. Here only 2 digits are there. Here 3, here 4, whereas here there are 5 digits. 5 digits means more places and the greatest number among this. Same way, if you see here, all the numbers are having 4 digits. Now it becomes a bit difficult to understand which number is greatest. So there is a way to understand. You have to see the leftmost digit. That is, in this number, if you see this place, here it is 1, here it is 1. Why we are doing this? Because all the numbers are given in 4 digits. All of them are having 4 places. That is why we are going to compare the first digit of each number. 1, here also 1, here 9, here 9 and here 9. Now we have 3 numbers having first digit as 9. Let's see the second digit. Here it is 2, here it is 0 and here it is 2. So this we can cancel this one because here it is 0. 0 is lesser than 2. So now we are going to compare just these two numbers. Here the third digit is 0, whereas here the third digit is 1. That is why this number is the greatest number. I hope you understood this method. Step 1 is to see if all the numbers are having same number of digits. If they are having same number of digits, then you have to see the leftmost number and start comparing from there towards the left. Can you instantly find the greatest and smallest numbers in each row? Let's see. See the set of numbers. You can instantly say that 18 is the smallest, whereas 59,785 is the greatest. This number is greatest. Why? Because this number is having 5 digits, whereas no other number is having 5 digits, and 18 is having just 2 digits. Same way, can you compare this set of number? Let's see. Here, two numbers are having 3 digits, 100 and 310. Just by looking at the first digit, we can say that 100 is the smallest number. And can you tell me which one is greatest number? If you see all the numbers, there is only one number having 5 digits. Okay, so this number is going to be our greatest number. Here it is. Find the greatest and smallest numbers. Can you find the greatest and smallest numbers here? Let's see. All the numbers are having 4 digits. So we are going to see the digits one by one. 4. All are having 4. Second digit. Here it is 5. Here it is 8. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Which one is the greatest? This one. And which one will be the smallest? Second digit of each number. 5, 8, 3, 4. This one. Same way second one. All the numbers are having first and second digits same. If you see, observe the pattern. Yes. So we are going to compare the third digit of each number. All of them are having equal number of digits also. 5 digits each. So third digit here is 6, 0, 1 and 8. Which one is the smallest? This one. It is having the 0 in the third place. Now, which one is the greatest? 6, 0, 1, 8. So this number is our greatest number. Ascending and descending order. In previous classes, also you have studied ascending and descending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. That is increasing order, starting from the smallest going towards the greatest. Descending order. Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to smallest. That is decreasing order, starting from the greatest moving towards the smallest. Let's see some questions. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. That is from smaller to greater. See, these are the numbers given to you. You have to compare these numbers in order to write in ascending order. So which one is the smallest number? Just by seeing the set of numbers you can say 9801 is having 4 digits, whereas the other 3 numbers are having 5 digits. So this one is the smallest number. Now we have to compare these 3 numbers. In these 3 numbers, all the 3 are having 5 digits, whereas these 2 are having its first digit as 2. So we have to compare among these 2. So here first digit is 2, second digit here is 5 and here it is 4. So which one is smaller? This number. So we are going to place this over here. Now these 2 numbers are left. By seeing you can say here it is 2, here it is 3. So this number will be kept next and this one at the last. We have already arranged this in ascending order. Let's see descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing. So starting from the greatest, can you tell me which one is the greatest? In these numbers, these 3 numbers are having 5 digits. This number is having 9 in its first place. So this is the greatest number. We place it over here. Now among these 3, this one is having 8, this one is having 4. So this one will come next and then this one next and then this one at the last. So we have arranged this in descending order. How many numbers can you make? Now we are going to learn how can you make a number using the given digits. Here, using digits 7, 8, 3 and 5 and not repeating any digits, you have to make the numbers. Here you see a table. Here I have arranged the numbers just like that anywhere so that it forms a number. And this is a place value chart. If you see, this is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds and thousands. Since there are 4 digits and we are not going to repeat anything, 4 digits means 4 places. So if you want to make the smallest number, you have to always start with the smallest digit given. You know the values. 3 is the smallest digit. So we are going to write in ascending order. 3, then 5, then 7 and then 8. This becomes our smallest number. This is the smallest number that can be formed using these 4 digits. Okay. The same way we can make the largest number. How are we going to make the largest number? keeping the largest digit in the highest place value, that is 1000. So here which one is the largest digit? 8. Keeping it in the greatest place, that is thousands place, 8, then 7, then 5, and then 3. See, it is arranged in decreasing order. This is our largest number which is possible. Now let's see some examples. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. We have to make greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using these 4 digits. Now for making greatest number, how do we make? We write the digits in decreasing order, starting from 7, 5, 4, 0. What is the number made? 7540. This is the greatest number that can be made. Now let's see the smallest number. If you compare these numbers, you can say that 0 is the least number. So if we put 0 over here, then what number are we going to get? We are going to get this number, 0, 4, 5, 7, writing it in ascending order. So is this a 4-digit number? No, this is a 3-digit number. If you keep 0 over here, its value becomes 457. Okay, that is a 3-digit number. So we are not going to place 0 over here, but in the second place. So after 0, which number is greater than 0 over here? 4. Keeping 4 over here, and then 0, then 5, and then 7. So first number cannot be 0 when it is asked. You have to make 4-digit numbers. Okay. Let's see next example. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. So here one condition is given. You can use any one digit twice. So which number are you going to choose to write it twice in the greatest number? Obviously the greatest number, greatest digit you are going to use, it is 9. So 9950 in smallest number. How are you going to make smallest number? You know that you cannot put 0 in the first place, but you can put 5. You can choose to put 5 because it is the smaller number. Putting 5 here. Now you can use any one digit twice. So which number are you going to choose? For using twice, least number is 0. So using it twice, and then what number is left with us? 9. So this is the smallest number possible. Thank you students for listening carefully. See you in the next class.